Hey, people from planet Earth, welcome. miEye here, welcome. Today we're gonna do another unboxing, and this time it's from the Razer Lancehead Tournament Edition. And you may think, this is a little bit older mouse. Why do you unbox at least an older mouse? It's because I want to have a low profile mouse, and this one hope suits me very nice. So the Razer Lancehead, guys, this is the box. Woo! It's shining like Bumblebee. And by the way, the front has Razer Lancehead Tournament Edition RGB, Razer powered by Razer Chroma RGB. On the side we do have a Razer logo. It's not the logo, the name actually. The back we have the specs, I will tell them a little bit, and then we unwrap it. And I forgot again, a knife, by the way. System requirements. You need a PC with a USB port. Very known. You need to know that. Razer Synapse Pro requirements. So that is probably the beta software. Windows 7 or higher. Internet connection. You need an internet connection for your mouse. Oh, so for the Pro you need 500 MB, and for the normal Razer Synapse you need 100. And then the approximately size and weight. The length is 170 mm. 4.6 inch, width 71 mm and 2.8 inch, height 38 mm and 1.5 inch, and weight 104, 0.25 lbs, excluding cable, guys. And then we do have the back, guys. The back, I will show you, say it a little bit fast to you. It has the world's most advanced optical gaming sensor. 16,000 dpi. Oh my god, 16,000 dpi. I only use 950, by the way. 450 IPS, 50 grams of acceleration. A gaming optimized Razer mechanical mouse switches. So they are engineered with Omron and Razer together. And it is a durability of 50 million clicks. Powered by Razer Synapse Pro Beta, and that's pretty nice because it has hybrid onboard and cloud memory. So you can have it by internet or onboard memory or hybrid combination, and then some other logos. So guys, it's time to unpack. Let's dive deeper in, guys. Woohoo! Let's go. Woo! Wow. So we are here at the Razer Lancehead Tournament Edition. I already pre-cut the box, so we do open the sleeve. Participation for Human Nation. We open it, we pull, and we see another black box. Very nice. I like Razer packaging. I don't know, I didn't have a mouse for a long time from Razer. Actually outside this box is nothing inside, it's pure black. It's pure black, very nice. So we put it aside, and then we have a, ooh, what's this? What's this? A sticker, a Razer sticker. It's completely black with some chroming lightning. It's nice if you like stickers. Then we have more. We have some Razer congratulations. There is no turning back. We were the first offering a mouse worth of being called gaming mouse, provided by gamers with precision and accuracy. Yeah. Join us. Some Razer site information, all that kind of stuff. And then again, congratulations, guys. Congratulations. We are getting a lot of congratulations. You are invited among the first early access to incoming Razer Synapse Beta. Unlock hybrid storage on your Razer Lancehead Tournament Edition and begin enjoying both onboard as well cloud storage. So underneath the mouse you have a profile indicator and a profile button. You can active profile is white, profile 1 is red, green, blue, and cyan is profile 4. Hybrid storage, Pro Beta, guys. So yeah, that's that. And this is the other side. Congratulations with the color profiles. Congratulations. Thank you, Reza. I like that. Congratulations. And of course you have some plastic around the manual. And in the manual, what do we have? We do go quickly inside. All the buttons, the indicator, how many DPI, the default steps are 800, 1800, 4500, 9000 and 16000. Product serial number, technical specs, how to unplug a USB port in your computer if you're completely retarded. Briefing, reactive, spectrum cycling, static and wave, multiple lining effects, and different language manuals. That's basically the manual, guys. Okay, and now we're going to see the box. So this is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. So I think we should pull out this back first. A little bit, be careful. You never know if you need to send it back for RMA, release to manufacture. And how does this package works? So we pull the top, and then you get this cover out probably, but how? That's the question. Razer, how did you manage to do this? Okay. It's a very difficult Razer. Okay, so you put one side out, and then another side is black. You can't probably not see it, but oh my god, unboxing by the way. Okay, there's the mouse. We put this black cover away, the plastic cover away, and we do this plastic off it. You need to hear this. Hear this. Ah, a very nice sound. Ah, I like it. Oof, and this is the mouse, guys. Oof, oof, oof. This side one, guys. You see the side, you don't feel it. This ridges between the sides of the rubber. And here you have the mouse. I use it claw hybrid. Left mouse button, right mouse button, middle mouse button. Yeah, very nice enough tactile. Rounded side buttons. And they are identical on the other side. And then the bottom, guys. Let me see the bottom. This is the bottom. 3 big Teflon, and a profile indicator on the bottom, and a middle mouse feet. And then the front, you do have a grill, but you can barely see it. But you do have a grill. So that's very nice. And then a thin braided cable. I like thin braided cables. I not used the Model O cable yet, so I cannot compare, but I get it in the future, very soon actually. And yeah, how is the first impression? It's a medium size, and I have big hands, but I use a medium size because I claw grip, aka also as fingertip, but more claw grip, hybrid grip. And this actually, for the first time, it feels great. And I'm biased towards Razer. I normally not buy Razer stuff, but this feels amazing. This is a top product in the first hand. The looks are great, the clicks are great. And do I feel any first negative feeling? No, I have no negative at the moment yet. So soon, guys, soon we do get a review of this product. So stay tuned. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you like this unboxing, thumb it up. And soon we do get a review. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.